So I was the Joker for Halloween, and we had to get hairspray, obviously, green hairspray. But now we don't know what to do with the empty can. This video is about demolition. Nice. Hope you guys actually saw that. This video is not for. Wait, did you hear that? Wait, look. I mean, it's not weird, it's just. Wait, guys, is there anything on my face right now? Oh no, it sprayed me there. What? Oh no. Oh, this is bad. This is real bad. Is it gone? I can hide it from Mum. Oh no, this is bad. Oh no. No, it's not that bad. But still gonna have to try and get it out. Is there any? No, there's nothing else. This is all I can use. Guys, this wasn't planned for the video. Do you think Mum's gonna find out? Oh no. Never happened. Shh. Don't tell anyone. Please. Don't even say it in the comments, because my dad gets the notifications. And if he finds out about this, actually he watches our videos. Dad, I'm sorry. And Mum, if you're out there. I'm here. Ah! Okay. Mum just asked me what I was doing. I said nothing. And I don't want to find it. Fine. Ugh, it stinks. Okay. I've got to sort all this. Okay. Let's sort all this. I'm gonna keep all the label, obviously, so I'm just gonna go through all the pieces that. Nope. Nope. This was my Halloween costumes, or who I was gonna be. I was either gonna be Slenderman, a Dementor from Harry Potter, or the Joker, which I was the Joker. So yeah, rubbish. This might be. Sorry, this might be boring for some of you, so I'm just gonna pause it. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video. Okay guys, I just noticed there's something in my nose that's really hurting. Ow. Anyway, back to demolition. Okay, I am gonna squirt it again, but not at me. Oh, I can't even squeeze it. I wish I had some of Ben's acid so it could just go melt, and we could see what's in. You know what we could do? Could do that. cut this thing open. Oh, and don't toe this at home.